How to factory reset Electrolux dryer. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will exactly show you on how you can do this. Now basically, this is really easy to do. All you have to do is to go ahead and follow these steps. Now I'm inside the resource center for the Electrolux dryer, and from here we can then go ahead and see that an article about how do I reset my Electrolux dryer. Resetting your Electrolux dryer simply involves unplugging the unit and waiting 3 minutes before plugging it back again. Now, if that did not solve the problem, you want to go ahead and contact the authorized service technician to help you with the issue. If you want to go ahead and factory reset your dryer, now it's as easy as holding the dryness and option button simultaneously until you hear the signal sound, and this will basically factory reset your Electrolux dryer. If this video has been helpful, please leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.